Right, abusia me mai na ye ho akwaba edeba by Grace TV GHS so ani de ni abrase kwan so se de di kan ya be picture no yiso a misra uni abe makob na wusu mekuta me nsem koto esra se subscribe to the channel na fe what turn on notification na wa share ama for friends when you be ahwe na video bi atoma wusu onso nsa ka bi no be kan ho ne nyina di dwuma so edi aboa ama ye man Ghana nyina etumpo abusu ni se nyam ya adom a Saturday ye di enemy ena Charles Kojofo so that the Lumba na otweda abekoso University of Ghana Sports Stadium a ewo enkran na busua ye nka bi nhie mokura ena character bi ababonten character ababonten no efina no ya omo ewo la traditional council ya omo chere no character we ye la homo planning committee ya omo nsem omo kena se omo de tabo ato dede yeso ewo la emanmu nso konkran na ya tese yewo paramounts and say traditional councils na wana hudu bebre the traditional area na traditional council we ni la traditional council nti omo de krata babonte na de ya omo chere se okọ la traditional area hono a ye de tabo ato de yeso enam se onzo dura bia na nam kran for omo baye homo hosa no a ye de tabo to de yeso a obi antimi ye de I was saying, I saw a grand abekwa, no, I did near dear. So almost Kaya man saying, I said that Lumba now treated dear, now from saying, I'm here the moment in their bay, a becoso, a one kind from Penny Mountain. That's the 30th of August 2025. A bus when ye son, so on the tabo out the day or so. Ya, one more enter now, Emma will be a moon runner as soon. Tieni o maka nsem bebre pa e wo krata no ma beto ebo ase abusua ni akenkan ni na de efremu ba bia dia som that lumba abusua fon so abekasa ye ni na so pepa apesom ti abusua se ne bedi kan kana krata no ye from la homo planning committee and our numbers so yeah for immediate release a tifia seminar or say ban on noise making La State cautions against 1 week celebration for that Lumba. Near Kinkai Assembly the tifia seminar can say La Minor Bokoko for that Lumba now what did dia penny for person mudi no na won mudi kan atwe wo say tabo ye da dede yeso yenkin kan also the attention of the La State Council has been drawn to certain advertisements circulating in the media regarding the 1 week funeral celebration of the late legendary high life music icon Charles Kojofosu aka that Lumba say la mining nyina nyanente omo hu bi ewo ententa fidie so na mframa mu nyina ya ni nyina ye se ye bon to ade frama for si obi a emra that Lumba na otwede di na to so a o say on behalf of Nimei and the good people of the La Homo Planning the La Homo Planning Committee the one one trainee wishes to first express its deepest condolences to the bereaved family, friends and the entire nation for the loss of such a towering international music icon whose legacy remains undeniable. And I say, omo de yakon sem edikan kra ama that Lumba ebusuafo esanse omache se we bia enyom to mu de ewiase gina tenenka na wadu achi pa yento aso a oze. However, the council wishes to firmly remind the general public that effective Monday 11th of August 2025 a ban on noise making came into force across the entire La traditional area stretching from the main La township to Malaysia on the Dodowa Road and Ayimensa at the foot of the Ebri Mountains. And that's what you also I come will be able to say if we adwada ayabosumi watwe we made to do baako e wa fim pimion e de no enum Yesu Kristo we echi and nanam de tabo to dede yoso e won kran okọ ala Latin nkunya nyina mu na chese Latin nkunya no sha ase free La township na de Korea Malaysia e de kwa Korea Dodowa kwan so ene Ayimensa ede ko ebri bepona no ho no ho nyina ye la atenkunya so ne se omo de dede ye no omo de tabo to so ho nyina ya wo sasas no so nko ade a wontimi nya ade bia edede ebepa yento aso say aside the general noise making, this ban also strictly prohibits funerals and all funeral related activities of any kind. During this sacred period, Nimei would have entered the spiritual realm, and as such, no activity that contravenes the cultural and spiritual order will be tolerated. Next, what I say, you saw almost the tabo to the day a ye any idea be a fair ye who be a hono, and sabi emrani tia. ya yenye ewon kramemo na saa bre yi bre ye konkrom bre ya omugidi se nimme nanom ese bosom kese na namatse nkunya stand to be corrected nanom ahemfo ho ene woni spiritual heads ewon kramemo la empatem ho no wo saa bre na omugura honhom de ko baso mugura honhom so a omu hia dede ye ne sabi entwene ne ade bia ya ebesori etia anase ene nanom sunsun omugura ne amamre ne omoye no bebo ebra eno de etiapa after sign to us waka bibi wa say the last state council therefore cautions all persons, families, groups and organizers against any attempt to hold or facilitate such funeral related events within the traditional area during the ban. After will say any such planned activity must be postponed, rescheduled or cancelled outright. Na say nam say etia omo amamre ni amane sa abreninti omo kan say obi biara o na adwen say obi di dwumadi bi sa Saturday Lumba na otweda 30th of August yami admama me de ye bekoso ewon kan na yie mu dia ene ebia wo mo twenko achiri anasa wo peda from France yes anso de ene wo mo ntwam kura ene de wo mo cafe to us say let it be made clear that there shall be no compromises whatsoever in the enforcement of this directive. Our duty is to protect, uphold and preserve the rich cultural heritage and sacred traditions handed down to us by our forebears, and this will be done without fear or favor. Let's say, Omutre say, Yemu be antias, say, Omun, yes, oh, as soon as you are now maintained the Yenimno, with the Wajid that Lumba the Abia, Wabonu Medrich, we are singing at and Kenti, Yantias, and now to Diane, Nemo Masumas, you are now maintained the yes, there be implementing a debut, Womun ye moon, and ye should be a womb. Enti omo mpene da ema bibia sa enkoso na omo de omo sade ne se amamani amani ya ombeto ye won kramam no omo bɔ ho ban omo kuram yi se de be ya enchirima enso ba beto no ma to aso sa sanse omo nanom ena ebre ye de amamani nyina to ho no so adu omo so ombe ye bi ete ato aso ewa bra ehu anase sebi omo beta we bi achi aye nhwani mu bia ahwehwe ni panim ewom afi eto aso a omo kan sim bebre ye to aso na fe de omo kan so ye to ye wase ye mfa no so mu. After Abusuya, we almost say the last state council further warns that any individual or group that disregards this directive does so at their own risk and will face the full weight of customary and lawful sanctions. That's what the Kokoba territory say ekubia and I say nipebia ya obebu aye krata mu dia ba bontin ene akwanche animtia na obeye nioma etia de omaka no ene nipa no no de ho to amane mu ya ohaw ne amane bia mamre ne amane kwan so na Ghana mna kwan so se fata no nipa no ene betua so ka ya enye kumakra after to us say for the avoidance of doubt the ban will remain in full force until Friday 5th September 2025 at 6 p.m. That's almost like can to say say we taboy that day yes no that's why kopem nyame adom a na wotwe bisim ni fiada me kire nyame adom a 5th of September 2025 and menunsia na taboy dey ato de day no ade nyina so no ebekwa wiye na se ne obu bese se be ya monfa nko hye sa abre no ko sanse no ro de na taboy no we yi e de afi ho afi to aso obusion say once again the council sympathizes with the family of the late that Lumba and assures them of the support of last state at the appropriate time when the ban has been duly lifted. Listen, anom kase wi anom sa de beta to say almost say kase la state council no wo edi ya opa that Lumba wo wi ho e de akonsem mabusia no mo hye mo bo se nyame ya adom na taboy that de yeso na tu twa that Lumba busia for beti omo enka ombeti omo nka me kire se na se moa ebia oti krata no o kade so sika no a emwa bia ne sebi atachiri bia menka ne sa se sop bia no wo so ede bedom wo mo ebrepem ebra etabo ni na eto atwa na krata yi Jeffrey Tete wona ya assistant secretary edema ayela home planning council ena ninsa shasi ya apa appointing the day na yesu enya bia de som by Grace TV GH ahwefo nyina wona ye wachichi ne bench yento yebo ase that Lumba busuafo so the krata apa appointing the day near and some almost ka or carter if we never name for Baba Jamal and Associates Womana carter if you ma catch eba na carter and someone or mokina efa as I be open set now what you there ebe kosu nyame adma mende odin sa body eba be ya de be fast be ya on say e be busy the babone for the on gym tinanko na okoju obisika say me de ko bonza ama e that Lumba e yase ina bebe no na akwaye boache bidin ene mu nsem bebre nti omo so de krata aba abonten na ntempa yemfa no so nto soe na de that Lumba busuafo eka e de fa na wohweda de no yemfa no so wansem so no ye bisa se sabe an no makase na wohweda na beba so anase obetu aheda e de yenti that Lumba busuafo so ka abusuanti krata na das no na krata yi aye ene da wo kwada no 27th of August ene omo twe but ne and about Bontia in Insa Kabi. Sunday Yanso na Nanuma Walla Traditional Council's wire press conference. At the Tiana, which the internet say, Sam Sabepa, the Intia, a Catanu seminar, I am running for ya, original the Mother Lumba Busia, I Baba Jama and Associates, legal, we are legal consultants, solicitors, and advocates. And on what you say, public notice now, much you say, the corner royal family of Pacoso and in Suta Asante wishes to inform the general public that the following accounts are the sole medium for monetary donations for the funeral of the late Charles Kojo Fusu, popularly known as Daddy Lumba. And I say, with the one can eat tiawa, a corner, a busuya, or Pacoso. Yewo kumasia and afe asante insuta na seche insuta and omokama Ghana fo ina tie se opese de mwabi eba that Lumba and na otwede de na sia screen is one number se gusui enti your car bank de wo ho account number betimi de afa no and afe mobile money transactions so number here wo ho na se hanko na betimi de afa and frank ko bia na omche se for further information please contact the numbers na go actually so unti bibia sia obetimi afre wo mo na ebusuantempa omoso acheche ne mamu e de achewe yi na bibia akoso de ama asomdwe kwan so obusuanti numbers no go so yeah there's someone that's 0244281460 and about accounts here 0541 4817650 numbers are unti bibia se obipezu obu obeze wo first ka be for bia da bi na wafre on be cheche macho krata ya yakinkan se wonti ase afre that Lumba busuafo a omo mechewe kwaye omo ye na mranim for lawyers for the Fusu family on be cheche mu e de acho na krata yi ni aba Fati Ali Yala Esquire mranim ni e de mother Lumba busua anansa e hyase enso on de busua sa bredi e asem se be pa that Lumba na otwede e benya baso ana enya maso sa bre a biaye ya ibedi no ye University of Ghana Sports Stadium ana mo chere se e kan la nkunyansa asem na sa bre so homo honiti na nam de taboato la nkunyansa asem nyina so enti na otwede bia ntimi nkoso o maka boda Lumba din wom sanse o mo chere se de be koso nyom to ne ade yese tia nanom sebi ahemfo ene nanom abosom ne yatumi awodo won kramem sanse sabre o magura honhom ayi sanse o mo pedede bia e wo honam ti o mo aka okrata nem se ayi da se busuafo no betimi etu na otweda na hyeda ana se o de betwentwen so ana obetwam kura ti yasem sebe yedi nsem we achi ne se sabre so de edure chiri pa enyuane mpo no mbe ya o maye wi oni efi akontum beba oni efi miami ahodo beba na otwita o maba betru tisisi ya na se asem sebe pa yedi achi yedi nsem we achi se that Lumba de o yina ya icon yina ya legend yedi achi ya di be free nsem we mo bebia e besa ba ne di ne ambrase kwan so de da besum yina ya ho mesro na de di kan ya be kan ho a me de ko bana wusu na wa subscribe to by Grace TV GH e di ama me na wa share ama obi oti baby enye bi ahwe na wabeka by grace abusua na woni ahwe de yankopon adom by the grace of God de nyame ebe medase pa so oje bre ehwe me obi trading enterprise ye Kumasi South Central Junction and so masne ema mete amane boy ebro ade bia fantade ade bia fam pabo ho ye Kumasi South Central Junction the home corner also called obi trading enterprise opoko buache perfume house and boutique on the Mr. Poko Yubia or tia continuous there be edu baby na Ghana for pramo penta dia sha mo pre o mo pempa bo papa sha mo pre perfume papa ya na ho ye na ti na me nwe me nko a me ho madwini Ghana nyina on disadia ma ko fa empabwa perfumes ene ntade papa ba na Ghana fo nya bi ahye maba na ye adwuma ho so mo nim ti okwa mbeba fom pa na wakasa ebo no so da fom ti misre wa fa numbers na etwa go screen so no fa na from sisi abusua na kwaje bi ehwa na meje mentale me mpaboa ene me perfumes na de bia na wala ku sharp ene smart mi zo be ya mi sharp so wache brebe ka ya mi din e de kwa na wusu subscribe whether man share mo bi so subscribe brebe me bi share bye bye.